In today's fast-paced world, juggling multiple projects, teams, and deadlines can feel like a high-wire act without a safety net. Emails get lost, tasks slip through the cracks, and communication becomes a tangled mess. This is where project management tools step in, offering a structured approach to bring order to the chaos. Among the myriad of options available, Wrike stands out as a powerful and versatile platform. But what exactly is Wrike used for? As a project management expert, I've seen firsthand how the right tools can transform teams and drive remarkable results. Wrike isn't just another task list. It's a comprehensive work management solution designed to streamline workflows, enhance collaboration, and ultimately, help you achieve your project goals with greater efficiency and clarity. Think of it as your central command center for all things project-related. This video will delve deep into the core functionalities and applications of Wrike, breaking down its features in simple, easy-to-understand language. Whether you're a seasoned project manager looking to explore new tools or someone entirely new to the concept, you'll gain a clear understanding of how Wrike can revolutionize the way you work. The foundation, task, and subtask management. At its heart, Wrike is a robust task management system. It allows you to break down complex projects into manageable tasks and subtasks. This granular approach provides clarity on what needs to be done, who is responsible, and when it's due. Creating and assigning tasks. Wrike makes it incredibly easy to create tasks, assign them to specific team members, and set due dates. You can add detailed descriptions, attach relevant files, and even set priority levels to ensure critical items get the attention they deserve. Subtask hierarchy. For more intricate tasks, Wrike allows you to create subtasks, forming a clear hierarchy of work. This ensures that no detail is overlooked and that progress can be tracked at a more granular level. Dependencies. Projects often involve tasks that are dependent on others. Wrike allows you to establish these dependencies, ensuring that work flows logically and that team members are aware of any potential roadblocks. For example, you can set a write content task to be dependent on the conduct research task, preventing the writing team from starting before the research is complete. Visualizing progress, multiple project views. Understanding the status of your project at a glance is crucial. Wrike offers various visual representations of your project data, catering to different preferences and needs. List view. This is a straightforward, spreadsheet-like view that displays all your tasks and their associated details in a clear, organized manner. It's ideal for quickly scanning through tasks and making bulk edits. Gantt chart. The Gantt chart provides a visual timeline of your project, showing tasks, their durations, dependencies, and milestones. This view is invaluable for understanding the project schedule and identifying potential delays. The interactive nature of Wrike's Gantt chart allows you to easily adjust task durations and dependencies. Board view, Kanban, inspired by the Kanban methodology. The board view displays tasks as cards organized into customizable columns representing different stages of the workflow, e.g., to do, in progress, review, done. This visual approach makes it easy to track the flow of work and identify bottlenecks. Table view. Similar to the list view, but with enhanced customization options for displaying and filtering data. You can choose which columns to display and arrange them according to your needs. Calendar view. This view displays tasks with due dates on a calendar, providing a clear overview of upcoming deadlines and workload distribution over time. Collaboration and communication. Bridging the gaps. Effective communication is the lifeblood of successful projects. Wrike provides a centralized platform for team members to collaborate seamlessly, real-time comments and discussions. Instead of relying on scattered emails, team members can communicate directly within the context of specific tasks. This keeps all relevant discussions organized and easily accessible. You can tag colleagues to bring their attention to specific points and ensure everyone stays in the loop. File sharing and management. Wrike allows you to attach relevant documents, images, and other files directly to tasks. This eliminates the need to search through email threads for the latest version of a document and ensures everyone is working with the most up-to-date information. Wrike also offers version control, so you can track changes and revert to previous versions if needed. Team and user management. Wrike makes it easy to organize your team into different groups based on departments, projects, or roles. You can assign permissions to control who can access and modify specific information, ensuring data security and clarity of responsibilities. Guest access. For collaboration with external stakeholders like clients or freelancers, wrike offers guest access. This allows them to view and interact with specific projects or tasks without granting them full access to your entire workspace. Organization and structure. Bringing order to complexity. As projects grow in complexity, maintaining organization becomes paramount. Wrike offers several features to help structure your work effectively. Folders and projects. Wrike uses a hierarchical structure of folders and projects to organize your work. Folders can represent departments, clients, or overarching themes, while projects contain the specific tasks and subtasks needed to achieve a particular goal. Tags. Tags allow you to categorize tasks and projects based on keywords or themes that might not fit neatly into the folder structure. This provides an additional layer of organization and makes it easier to filter and find specific items. Spaces. Spaces are customizable hubs for teams or departments. They provide a centralized view of relevant projects, dashboards, and reports, making it easier for team members to access the information they need. Custom fields. Wrike allows you to create custom fields to track specific information relevant to your projects. This could include things like budget codes, client names, approval status, or any other data point that is important to your workflow. Automation and efficiency. Working smarter, not harder. Manual, repetitive tasks can drain valuable time and resources. Wrike's automation features help streamline workflows and improve efficiency. Workflows and statuses. You can define custom workflows with different statuses to track the progress of tasks through various stages. This provides a clear visual representation of where each task stands and helps identify potential bottlenecks. Automation rules. Wrike allows you to create automation rules that trigger specific actions based on predefined conditions. For example, you can automatically assign a task to a specific team member when its status changes to in progress, or send a notification when a task is overdue. These rules can significantly reduce manual effort and ensure timely follow-up. Request forms. For managing incoming requests, wrike offers customizable request forms. These forms ensure that you receive all the necessary information up front, streamlining the intake process and eliminating the back and forth of emails.